this meditation, we will gently cleanse and balance your 7 main chakras. These are the energy centers that bridge your physical body with your energetic field. They guide the flow of life force within you, supporting your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. When energy in these centers is blocked or out of balance, we may feel stuck, heavy, or disconnected. Through this practice, we'll gently release emotional residue, clear energetic blockages, and invite harmony and alignment. With each breath, you make space for healing and renewal. So take a moment to settle in. Find a quiet, comfortable space. Let this time be a gift, just for you. Let's begin. Now sit comfortably with your spine upright. Rest your hands on your knees, palms facing upward. Relax your shoulders. Release your jaw. Scan your body and notice how it feels. Make any adjustments you need to feel at ease. Set the intention to clear and balance your energy. Bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale slowly through the nose. Once more, breathe in and out. Find the natural rhythm of your breath. Bring your attention to the base of your spine. Visualize a glowing red sphere spinning gently in that area. This is the root chakra, the center of grounding, stability, and connection to the earth. Allow any fear or instability to melt away. Silently affirm, I am safe, I am supported, I am grounded. Feel a deep sense of trust and stability fill your entire being. Take a deep breath in and breathe healing red light into your root chakra. Now shift your focus to the space just below your navel. See a bright orange sphere spinning softly. This is your sacral chakra, the center of creativity, pleasure, and emotional flow. Release guilt, shame, or emotional heaviness that may be stored here. Affirm to yourself, I allow myself to feel. I honor my emotions. As the chakra clears, feel your joy, sensuality, and creative power reawaken. Breathe in deeply and let the vibrant orange light flow through your lower belly. Now bring your awareness to the upper abdomen, just above the navel. visualize a bright yellow sphere spinning with energy. This is the solar plexus, your center of personal power, confidence, and will. Let go of feelings of powerlessness, shame, or self-doubt. Affirm gently, I trust myself. I am enough. Feel your inner strength rise and your sense of purpose become clear. Breathe in and let yellow light flow through your core, bringing warmth and strength. Now bring your focus to the center of your chest. Visualize a soft green light swirling gently. This is your heart chakra, the home of love, compassion, and emotional balance. Let go of grief, resentment, or pain that may be stored here. Say softly to yourself, I am love. I forgive. I am open to giving and receiving love. Feel the warmth of unconditional love filling your heart and spreading through your body. Breathe in, let the green light expand, bringing healing to your chest, lungs, and upper back. Now shift your awareness to your throat. See a vibrant blue sphere spinning gently. This is your throat chakra, the center of communication and truth. Allow stuck or unspoken words, old lies, withheld expression to be released. Affirm with kindness. My voice matters. I speak with clarity and honesty. As this chakra clears, feel your expression becoming more free and authentic. Breathe in and let the soothing blue light wash over your throat and neck. Now bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. Visualize a deep indigo sphere spinning smoothly. This is your third eye chakra, the center of intuition, insight, and inner wisdom. Allow confusion, illusions, or mental fog to dissolve. Affirm silently, I trust my inner wisdom. I see clearly. I am guided. Feel your intuition awaken and your vision sharpen. Take a deep breath. Draw in indigo light. Let it bring healing to your forehead, eyes, and mind. And finally, bring your attention to the top of your head. Visualize a luminous violet sphere above your crown. This is the crown chakra, your connection to the divine, to oneness, to peace. Let go of attachments, distractions, and limitations. Affirm gently, I am light. I am connected. I am at peace. As your crown chakra clears, feel your whole being align with Source. Take a deep breath in. Allow violet light to fill your head and uplift your spirit. Now, visualize all 7 chakras spinning in harmony, aligned from root to crown. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. A rainbow of flowing light, balanced, radiant, and free. Take a deep breath. Feel the clarity, the alignment, the ease. As you exhale, release anything that no longer serves you. Stay here for a few more breaths. Let this energy integrate. Let the peace deepen. And when you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring movement back into your body and gently open your eyes. Carry this grounded, aligned energy with you into the rest of your day.